next lick is a little bit out of the old or early rock and roll school, so it's very reminiscent of Chuck Berry. In fact, I stole this a little bit from Chuck Berry's most famous hit. You know what it is, hopefully. So, sounds kind of like this. Alright, so pretty much it's in the key of B flat, and it's a B flat major pentatonic lick. It's coming out of this shape. Okay, so the first part of this lick is that one goes like, it starts with 7th fret on the G, slides into the 7th fret on the G, then 6 on the B, 8 on the B, alright, and then you take these two notes, so it's 6 on the B and 6 on the E, and you slide it up from 5th on the B and 5th on the E. And so you do that 4 times. Right, one more time. And gotta focus on really hitting the strings pretty hard, right? So just to get that old early rock and roll vibe. Alright, so after that, doing double stops. So first double stop is 6 on the B and 6 on the E, then 8 on the G, 8 on the B, then 6 on the G, 6 on the B. So far. Right, and then one more time on 6 on the G, 6 on the B. So that's 4. Alright. And then you do a hammer on the 7th of the G while also playing 6 on the B. So I'm hammering this on the G to the 7th fret, that 6 on the B is also ringing. Okay, so far we have from there 8 on the D, 6 on the D, and then back up to G, 6th, hammer on the 7th, and on the 8th on the D. One more time, the whole thing slowly. So the focus on this one is really make it sound aggressive and rock and roll, right? So it's got that attitude. And if you hit multiple strings, that's even better. That makes it sound dirty, and that's what we want in rock and roll, right? Alright, that was your early rock and roll Chuck Berry inspired lick. So remember, if you like this kind of stuff, really quick licks and really short YouTube lessons, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Leave me a comment or leave me a suggestion on what I can do to cover and what you want to learn. Okay, so next time.